In summer, you get lots of different types of fruit that you can preserve. When it comes to lemon and oranges, you get heaps of fruit in summer. And I'm going to show you how to preserve lemon and oranges or tangerines. I'll show you how to preserve them than the traditional salting method. For this, I have some water in this. Make sure that the utensils that you are using needs to be clean. And into the cold water, add about 3 tablespoons of salt. This is to clean the lemon and the oranges, so put them in. If you are buying it from the shops, you need to wash it thoroughly and put it in hot water for few seconds and take it out because it's already waxed. These are directly from the tree and I just picked them. So put them in the salted water in case if there is something. That way it preserves for a longer time. So you leave it about 1 to 2 minutes in salted water. After, take them out. When you do this, you need to sanitize the jars. I put this in the dishwasher and I washed it and it's dry. The other way is you have to put it in boiling water and dry it. Or either you can use it in the oven, 100 or 150, put the bottles about 10 minutes. First, measure the bowl. This is about 150 grams. So into that, I'm going to cut the oranges first. So when you cut the oranges, you need to sanitize the chopping board, your hands, and also the knife. So cut the orange. If you have your own tree, what you can do is leave the lemons or the tangerines or the oranges falling off the tree. At that stage, pick them. And when you get them, see it's really soft. You can eat these parts too. It's not bitter. So now I'm going to cut it in half like this. Then can you see? And it's ripened really well. Take that part out. And then the seeds. After that, put it upside down and slice it as thin as you can. And put it into the bowl. So it is ready. Let's leave it and do the lemons now. I'm using this scale and I'm leaving it to my side to see the exact weight. This is about 498. Now I'm going to add 500 grams sugar into this. After, mix it well and leave it aside. So the next one, it is about 400 grams. Now I'm going to add 400 grams sugar into it. Use a different spoon and mix it. After slicing the lemon, add into a jar, press and preserve this with honey. This is a good medicine when you have cough or cold. You can use the preserved lemon in honey in hot water. So use a clean fork and let the honey goes in. This is a good drink too in winter that you can add few bits of lemon with honey into a cup with hot water. You have lemon and honey drink. When you add honey to lemon, make sure that you add enough to cover. Honey is a good preservative, as you know from the ancient times. So fill it more with honey and make sure to cover the top with honey so no air can go inside, and close the lid and seal the lid. Now let's go to this one, the lemon with sugar. Now I'm going to pour that into this jar. And to the top I'm going to add some sugar. So that way it seals, and then going to close it. And make sure that you use airtight jars always. Now I am going to show you the third method. For that I'm using some tangerines. In this way you can keep the lemon or the tangerines up to 1 year. So this is how we do it. Cut the tangerines, same as we did before. Put the orange or the lemon into a bottle that you can preserve, and it should be an airtight container. Now this is the next way. This is about 250 grams. So into this pot I'm going to add 250 grams sugar, and I had 2 tablespoons water in that. Now I'm going to bring this to boil. Once the sugar syrup come to boil, pour it over the lemons, and make sure don't bring the sugar to very high temperature so it will crack the bottle. It should be 100. Sugar syrup to go in, just give a little bit of enough space. The trick is, now you close the lid directly after pouring the hot syrup. All you need to do is just to turn it around once in a while. Now we have one orange or tangerine to use in summer. This is the best time to use. And when it is in winter, you won't be able to find these fruits because that's the time that it grows. So you can have this in hot drinks, even with the one with the lemon and honey. This will be a good gift for Christmas too. Now let's do the next one. This one I made few days before, and it's well matured to use now. So I'm going to open it, and you will hear the click. See, the gas comes out and it's ready. Now to preserve these oranges, if you find that this is too much for you, what you can do is, and it's a good way to do because then you can use directly in your glass, and take little molds like this. Put enough mix that you need for 1 glass. What about the ice cube trays? You can use in ice cube trays too. You just pour some into the ice cube trays and freeze them. After freezing, take snack bags. For individual use, you can take all these out and put in each snack bag and put it in the freezer. So it helps to save the space in the freezer too. And these are the few methods I was trying to tell you. I hope that you got an idea. So let's make a drink now. Into a glass, add a spoonful of orange mix. It depends on the taste that you like. And you can use coconut water, mineral water, soda water, or any other liquid that you want to add in. I'm going to add cold water. That's all you need to do. Stir and serve with the straw. So I hope you will preserve your lemons than letting them rot underneath your trees. Hope you will enjoy. Thank you for watching.